Hi, myself Dr. Kailash, consulting dermatologist and medical director of Clear Skin Hair and Layer Center, Kurnool. Today we are going to discuss about the commonest type of birthmarks and how to treat them. Let us know what is a birthmark. Any mark or spot or bump which is present at birth or appears shortly after birth during infancy period is called birthmark. Birthmarks are not always present at birth. Some, such as hemangioma, appears weeks later. Most of the birthmarks are permanent. A few fade as the child grows. Birthmarks can be caused by overgrowth of blood vessels or melanocytes or smooth muscle, fat, fibroblast or keratinocytes. They are broadly classified as two types of birthmarks: pigmented birthmarks and vascular birthmarks. Pigmented birthmarks are formed by accumulation of pigmented cells under the skin and are often brown to black in color. The commonest pigmented birthmarks are nevus of Otter, K-violet macules, congenital melanocytic nevus, Mongolian spots, Becker's nevus and nevus pillus. Nevus of Otter are green colored with diffuse pigmentation, generally on one side of the face. K-violet macules are often coffee colored flat patches. Congenital melanocytic nevus. Most of the congenital melanocytic nevus are less than 1 inch in size and do not cause any problem. If the congenital melanocytic nevus is more than 2 inch or involving a significant portion of the infant skin, then there is a small risk of skin cancer. Mongolian spots. They are usually green colored patches on the back and generally clear spontaneously within 1 year of life. Becker's nevus. Becker nevus are usually dark brown colored patch with excess hair growth and usually appears during puberty. Nevus pillus presents as a light brown macule speckled with smaller dark macules of pigmentation, also known as speckled lentiginous nevus or zoster-form lentiginous nevus. Vascular birthmarks are red, blue or purple in color, such as salmon patch, port vein stain and hemangioma. Let us know how to treat birthmarks. Though birthmarks are common and usually harmless, most birthmarks are small and do not produce medical problems, but some may require treatment for cosmetic reasons or because of rapid growth. Among birthmarks, vascular origin, that is hemangiomas, deserve the most attention. Any birthmark that is likely to impair either physical or mental health of the patient is much more likely to be treated. Treatment depends on the nature or type of the tissue involved and the risk versus benefits of treatment.
We are very blessed to live in this era where lasers are used to treat birthmarks. Before this era of lasers, a lot of birthmarks are something that someone had to live with their whole life and get teased throughout childhood or adulthood. Currently, we do have a good number of lasers that work to reduce or to remove birthmark.
Treating birthmarks such as port vein stain, K-violet macules, nevus of Otter and epidermal nevi are very common and can be seen in 10 to 20% of normal population. In treating birthmark, lasers play an important role. Several types of lasers are used like long pulse Nd:ARC laser, Q-switch Nd:ARC laser, ultra pulse CO2 laser and pulse dye laser. And the gold standard laser for treating vascular birthmarks is pulse dye laser. And for pigmented birthmark is the Q-switch Nd:ARC laser.
We at Clear Skin Laser Center, equipped with the most advanced and time-tested world-class US FDA technologies such as Q-Switch Nano and Pico lasers to treat pigmented lesions, and Pulse Dye laser and Long Pulse ND-YAG laser to treat vascular birthmarks effectively under the eminent guidance of Dr. N. Kailash, MD, Dermatology. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.